Hello everyone, welcome to another Urdu lesson. This is lesson number 7 and we will be learning about nouns. All right, so we have some nouns in English and we have some translations here. So the first noun that we have is boy, and that is a masculine noun and it means ladka. The second noun that we have is horse, means khoda. Room means kamra. Cloth means kapra. Okay, so let's learn some more nouns. We have egg, means anda. Lock means tala, door. Darwaza, husband. Shohar or khavand. We have girl, means ladki. Key, chabi, wife, biwi, sister, behen. We have mare, we have ghodi, so watch, ghadi. Turban, pagdi. Window is khirki. All right, so we have some rules. So the Urdu language has only two genders, okay? We either have masculine nouns or we have feminine nouns. We have no neutral gender. So nouns that end in A are mostly masculine. So for example, ladka ends in A, ladka is a boy. Kapra ends in A, cloth. So these are masculine nouns. Now, nouns that ends in I are almost always feminine. There are always exceptions to these rules. So ladki, it ends in I, it's a girl. Chabi, that ends in I, it's a feminine noun. So the gender of objects that do not end in A or I must be learned by practice. So obviously there are exceptions to these rules and those we just have to learn them by practice. Okay, there is one more rule that we're going to go over before we do some examples. So if a masculine noun ends in A, we change the A into E to make it plural. Okay, so ladka ends in A, it's one boy. First, we have to figure out, is this a masculine noun or is this a feminine noun? So we know it is a masculine noun and we know that it ends in A. So we're going to change the A into E. So ladke, that's boys. Rule number 2 is if a masculine noun does not end in A, either it remains unchanged or it has some exceptional rules that we need to learn by practice. Rule number 3, if a feminine noun ends in I, again, we need to look at a noun and we need to figure out, is this a masculine noun or is this a feminine noun? So once we figure out, okay, it is a feminine noun and it ends in I, we add an at the end. So ladki, it's a feminine noun, it has an I at the end, means one girl or a girl. We add an at the end, so it becomes ladkiyan, girls, more than one girl. So ladki is one girl, ladkiyan is more than one girl. The last rule is if a feminine noun does not end in I, so if it does not end in I, we add en. So kitab, again, we're looking at kitab and we need to figure out, okay, is this a masculine noun or feminine noun? And this is something that we just need to learn by practice because it does not have an I at the end. So we just need to learn by practice that kitab is actually a feminine noun. Now there is no I at the end, but kitab means a book or one book. If it does not end in I, then we need to add en at the end. Now this en means it's plural. So kitabein, kitab, kitabein, books, more than one book. Okay, let's do some examples. So beta, that is a masculine noun. It ends in A. If a masculine noun ends in A, we add E at the end. Beta, that's one son, and bete is more than one. Tala, that is a male masculine noun, ends in a. We remove the a and we add e at the end. So tale. Tala is one lock. Tale is more than one lock. So locks, that is the plural. Let's do some more examples. We have chabi. So chabi, it's a feminine noun, ends in I. So if it ends in I, we add an at the end. So chabi is one key. Chabiyan, it's more than one key. Peti ends in I. We add an at the end. Petiyan. So peti is like a box. So peti is one box. Petiyan is more than one box. Dukan, again, this is a feminine noun and it does not end in I. So if a feminine noun does not end in I, we add en at the end. So dukan is one shop. Dukane is more than one shop. We have another feminine noun that ends in I. So topi, that's one hat. Topiyan, that's more than one hat. So it ends in I, we add an at the end. So topiyan, that's more than one hat. Topi, singular. Topiyan, plural. All right. So your task is very, very simple. Remember all the rules that we have gone over so far. You need to write down the plural for each of these nouns. Write down your answers in the comment section below and I will be happy to go over your answers and assist you. And until next time, I take care. I will see you in the next lesson. Next lesson will be lesson number 8. Take care.